How to insert a logo in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up CapCut on a device. Now wait for the app to open. Now tap on escape at the top right corner and tap on new project. Now select a photo or video and tap on add. Now tap on overlay. Now tap on add overlay. Now select the PNG file for the logo. Now tap on add. Now adjust the position. Now resize the logo. Now once you're all done, simply tap on export at the top right corner. You can also increase the logo duration for the whole video. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.